Isagani R. Neres, Director General, PIDEA, Barangay Peñahan, Quezon City. Dear Mr. Neres, I am writing to express my interest in the Computer Programmer 1 position under the POS division at the Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency. I also discovered this opportunity through the CSC job portal, and after viewing the job posting, I am confident that my skills and qualification align well with the requirements of the role. My name is Sarah Casal Gisuniga, and I am a recent graduate as of April 2025 with a Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, and I am eager to apply the knowledge and skills I have gained to contribute to your organization's mission and uphold its dedication to public service. During my internship at the Philippine Statistics Authority or PSA, I was given the opportunity to apply and develop my computer science skills by supporting the technical activities related to the National ID E-Verify system. I assisted in preparing system integration documents, helped coordinated API testing procedures, and conducted a basic research on collocation strategies. I also provided support during a technical meetings with partnered agencies and contributed to organizing files and tracking progress for the onboarding activities. This experience gave me a valuable exposure to the real-world system integration process and strengthened my skills in technical documentation, communication, and teamwork. I am a quick learner and a dedicated professional eager to show these skills, and I am confident that my education and hands-on experience and commitment to excellence align with the requirements of the Computer Programmer 1 position. I would be honored to discuss this application further and can be reached via email at sarahcasel@gmail.com. Thank you for considering my application, and I look forward to the opportunity to contribute to your team. Good day. I'm Zara Pasadji Suniga, a recent BS Computer Science graduate from Mapua University. I am passionate about programming, software development, and system integration, and I am excited to start applying my skills in a professional setting. Now, during my internship at the Philippine Statistics Authority, I assisted with the National ID E-Verify system, supporting API testing, preparing integrations documents, and helping to onboard systems. Now, I also work with cross-functional teams which strengthen my communication and collaboration skills. Now, I am proficient in Java, Python, and HTML or CSS, with experience in management and basic API integrations. Now, I am a detail-oriented, quick to learn, and committed to quality work. I also believe in using the tech support to public service and meaningful change. Now, thank you, and I look forward to contributing to your team. I believe that I am a good fit because of my academic background and internship experience, which helped me develop skills in communication, coordination, and time management. I've handled tasks like report preparation and team support, making me a reliable candidate. One of my strengths is being a team player. I work well with others and enjoy problem solving. I am a quick learner and open to feedback. And as for my weakness, I've been improving my public speaking through practice. I also manage being self-critical by setting a realistic goals. In 5 years, I aim to be a skilled professional contributing to impactful tech projects. I want to keep learning new tools and stay updated with the industry trends. Now, my goal is to both technically and professionally be in a meaningful role. Now, during my internship, I approved a document with incorrect names. I immediately informed my supervisor, corrected the errors, and helped present the updated version. This taught me to review thoroughly and communicate issues right away. I try to solve problems on my own first, by doing research or reviewing related materials. But if the issue affects others, or it is beyond my scope, or it might even cause delays, I ask for help as soon as possible. I believe that it is important to balance independence with teamwork. Thank you for the opportunity on having this interview with you, Mr. Neres. Have a nice day and I look forward to your response.